Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a market update for Thursday, June 30th, 2022. So the rough second quarter in the market come an end today with a bearish formation. As you can see, the market continues to put it down to the bottom after disappointed earning from Nike and Micron. So as you can see here, after earning Nike, it continued to push it back down, and MU, okay, also put it back down. However, we can see that in the SB 500, after put it back to the upper level here, they have some resistance here, and the market it continue to push it back down to the downside for the last 4 days here. So market it hit to the important level of support here. So after they found the bottom at the June 17th, so now the key question here is that they continue to go down further, or if they be able to find a support in this level here, and then the market is still have chance to put it back and retest the downtrend line here. Because if we fail to hold up at this level of support, market can continue to put it down further to the downside here. So you have to pay attention for that, and let's see tomorrow market be able to hold up and put it up to celebrate July 4, or to start the first month for July, or they will continue to go down further. So we will see that by tomorrow. So right now in the SB 500, even though the market it be able to find a support here, so about 54 stock they be able to put it back up, and the momentum, the relative trend is change to the positive side, and the two index that really helped the market rebound last week, that will be come from the healthcare and the biotech sector, and as well as the defense sector. So right now, if you look at the all of the sector that belong to the healthcare, that's the one sector they push it back up, they hold up pretty well here, and momentum still have a chance to put it much higher. And you can also see another one, utility. It's also pretty strong here after the fire support, and then they still have room to put it to the upside. The real estate it also hang tight here. As you can see, the 10-year treasury note, after they hit to the top, now they be able to break below this line here. If they continue tomorrow or next week to the downside, definitely they can reduce the pressure on the inflation, and they can have the real estate to move up also. So right now this is the first time you see this one that make a foot low here. So if they continue to drop down, they still have a lot of room to go down further to the south, and definitely will have a lot of technology stock, as well as the government in the short term to be able to control they increase the interest rate and control the inflation. So we'll see. And you also see volatility index they push up, okay, the last 3-4 days. So that cause the market it to going down. So this guy needs to be pulled back to the low level in order for the market to push it back up. If you look at the other index like NQ, they also put back down, and then they have a strong support here. If they miss one here, they can go further south, but this one is last life defense. They need to hold on to this zone here. The YM, which is the Dow, it's also in the support zone right there. Russell 2000 it also come back and retest. They need to hold up here in order to bounce back up. The crude oil, after they have a run up here, they pull back down, they come back like we draw here for you. So if they cannot go higher here, they if they break this line here, they still have room to go down further. Okay. If you look at gold, break a support line here. So gold is continue to heading south to the next level of support down below here. If you look at the Bitcoin it have a trouble after the break here, and then it continue to go down. So this is the last line of support will be around here. Okay, so momentum is still negative, as you can see. However, let's see how they react at the 17,500 here. Let's see, the buyer can step back in and push it back up. Okay, the Ethereum is also right at the support line here. So this is key level of support. They need to hold on in order for rebound. Otherwise, they are still in trouble. You see the momentum is turn negative, and it still stay in the negative right now. In terms of the other sector, as you can see here, energy, if they pull back down, they try to hold up here. If they fail level of support here, then and then the energy can be in trouble too. Financial still have trouble to put it back down. The industrial, they try to hold on to this level here. If they can, if they're able to hold on here, they will push it back up. They come back and reset the buy zone. So if they can hold on to this level and they have a bullet formation tomorrow, then they can buy back up. Otherwise, we have to watch out for the support over there. Consumer table also come back and fill up the gap, like I told you the last week, and now they fill up the gap. So they need to hold up here in order to pull back up. If they fail to do so, then the next gap will be down here. Okay. So far you can see that a couple of sectors are doing very well, that are healthcare and biotech. Okay, utility, consumer stable, and industrial is trying to turn around. The other one, the one really in trouble, that the material, you can see it, a lot of them it goes south, even silver, you can see that it continue to put it further south. Gold is also another one that in trouble. You see gold stock, it continue to put it back down. Okay, so overall, the market is still choppy back and forward here. However, okay, this one here, it probably can be a support. They come back, fill up the gap. So if they can hold up there, then we need more bullets, and that can help the market to turn around. Same thing here. They put back down to the buy zone. It seems like somebody tried to hold on to it. Microsoft, another one pull back at the support. Now they still hold on to that level. Okay, Google pull back and retest right at the line here, and then some buyer step back in. But we need more follow through tomorrow to see how they are going to do. Okay, Tesla, it also come back and try to fill up the gap, not completely, but it's another dozy here. So tomorrow, if they come up with a bullet candle, then it means that they go up. If come out the bearish candle, it means that they continue to go down further. All right. So far, as you can see, we are still in a very choppy mode. The market is still in the downtrend. However, this is very important level of support. Market needs to hold on to this level and bow back tomorrow. So hopefully that's the case. Otherwise, we can see more deterioration if they fail to hold on to the buy zone here. Okay. All right. So let's see. Tomorrow is the first day of the month of July, and see that the market will be able to hold up, and we have some bow on the July. Hopefully that's the case. All right. So take care, and then I will see you on the weekly market forecast, and then I will looking for some stock and some good stock in some of the good sector that turn around for the last 2 weeks, and then I will put it in there so that you can take a look. So wait and see. So take care everyone, and have a long July 4 weekend. So take your time, enjoy with your family, and we will see you next week. Take care, everyone.